Okay, so students will start the class. In the last class, what we were discussing was we were talking about meiosis 1. And what we remember about meiosis or meiosis 1, whenever we talk about meiosis, it is also called as the reduction division. Code hoy, terminal cells bilakot hoy. Kiman stage of complete hoy? It completes in two stages, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Right. So we have talked about meiosis 1, and what we have discussed is we have talked about stages like prophase, metaphase, or prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, আৰু telophase 1, right? Protective step or importance like আমি কথা পাতিছো. In the last class, what we have, where we have talked was, I think it was telophase 2. Up till there, sorry, telophase 1, up till there, we have stopped, we have stopped our explanation, right? So telophase 2 pisot, আমি কি পঢ়িছিলো? What happened after telophase? Telophase 1 is the last, what? Last phase of key. Karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. It's the last phase of telophase 1 would be considered as the last step of karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1.
Karyokinesis 1.
Karyokinesis 1.
Yes. So after karyokinesis 1, it is followed by cytokinesis 1, right? So karyokinesis 1 is followed by cytokinesis 1, and what is the resultant? The resultant is from one single cell we got two cells, right? A duta cells, that was the result after karyokinesis 1. এইটা সেলৰ দুটা পইণ্ট লিখাইছিলো ন, কি কি লিখাইছিলো? যে it had dash the number of chromosomes, কি লিখাইছিলো?
Half.
Half the number of chromosomes. আৰু second point কি আছিলে? Dash the content of DNA.
Double
the content.
Double the content of DNA. Are you understanding? Telophase 1 হৈ গ'ল, after cytokinesis 1 হৈ গ'ল. After that, we got two cells or two daughter cells. These two daughter cells had half the number of chromosomes and double the content of DNA. সেইখিনিলৈকে আছিলে meiosis 1. Today we'll be talking about meiosis 2. So heading কৰিবা meiosis 2. What you remember from the previous discussion is whenever we talk about meiosis, in the process of meiosis, karyokinesis কেইবাৰ হয় আৰু cytokinesis কেইবাৰ হয়?
দুবাৰ.
Okay, গোটেই meiosis process karyokinesis দুবাৰ হ'ব আৰু cytokinesis দুবাৰ হ'ব, right? So এতিয়া heading কৰিবা meiosis 2 আৰু কেইটামান point লিখি লওঁ. Right. Meiosis 2 লিখা first point, also called as we have a term that is called as homocytic division. আমি এটা word পঢ়িছিলো ন, heterotypic. You remember? Meiosis 1 was called as heterotypic and this is called as homotypic. Why was it called as heterotypic or why is this called as homotypic? The answer lies in the number of chromosomes, right? In this meiosis or in meiosis 2, what we know, the chromosome number of the parent and the daughter cell will remain the same. So this type of a division is called as homotypic division. It could also be said as equational division. Remember, we have used this word during mitosis. Mitosis is also called as equational division. Why is it called as equational division? Because the number of chromosomes in the daughter cell and the parent cell remain the same. In the meiosis 1 or Q, chromosome number half of right? Next point. Meiosis 2 resembles mitosis. Third point, it is necessary because, why is meiosis 2 necessary? It is necessary because each daughter cell forms from meiosis 1 has chromosomes having 2 two chromatids, right? Each chromatid has double the content or amount of DNA and reduction from 2C, but double content, to single content occurs only in meiosis 2, right? And just see the line whether you have understood or not. I think this is a part that we have explained in the last class, right? So, key koibo like the meiosis 1 or meiosis is called as a reduction division. And if you are talking about reduction in the number of chromosomes, where did we see? It is a phase that has already occurred in meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 or chromosome number reduce already হয়ে গল যদি তাতে already chromosome number reduce হয়ে গল তেতিয়া হলে what is the necessity of meiosis 2? In one line what we can say is meiosis 2 কি হব এবার DNA content to reduce হব. Is the line understood? প্রত্যেকটা ডটার সেলৰ ডাবল কন্টেন্ট অফ DNA হৈ আছিল নাই কারণ we have read something saying like this, the centromere did not divide. If you remember, we have talked about anaphase 1. Normally যেতিয়া আমি anaphase ৰ কথা কওঁ, the portion that we have read in mitosis, what we remember, anaphase ত কি হয় centromere to divide কৰে আৰু chromatids বিলাক separate হৈ যায় কিন্তু meiosis ৰ anaphase 1 ত centromere did not divide. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chromosome number was double. So a double or single koribo lagile, it has to undergo meiosis 2.
Second point to Rocky question, ma'am. Likhi asu.
Eto?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write. Next. Next point. Meiosis 2 consists of 4 phases. Key phase? Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Second line to hold neki musibo pare.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
And we have telophase 2, right? As I said before, writing this is very important. যদি 2 বা 1 precisely likhi nidia, then we will think as if you are talking about the prophase of mitosis or the metaphase of mitosis. So it is very important to write prophase 1 or prophase 2. ঠিক তেনেকে meiosis যদি আমি denote কৰিব লাগে, number টো আমি দিবই লাগিব. যদি number নিদিয়া, it seems as if we are talking about mitosis. So these are the 4 phases of meiosis 2. We'll begin with prophase 2. So heading koriba prophase 2. So prophase hok ba prophase 1 hok ba prophase 2 hok. Up till now we know many things or many conditions that we can see during the prophase stage, no? It's one common line as well. Similarly, in case of prophase 2 also, hey kita line ami likhibo lagibo prophase 2. Before writing, so meiosis 1 or pisot ami kenekwa cell palu, duta daughter cell paisilu, right? A2 eta, suppose এইটো এটা কাৰণ মিয়োসিস 1ত কি হৈছিলে তোমাৰ ডাঙৰকে আকৌ অকমান মিয়োসিস 1ত কি হৈছিলে কেৰিঅকাইনেসিস হৈ গৈছিলে আৰু সাইটোকাইনেসিস হৈছিলে সাইটোকাইনেসিস হৈ যোৱাৰ কাৰণে obviously আমাৰ কি পালো we have seen two daughter cells, right? A duita daughter cells obviously it will be of the same shape and size. Maybe my diagram is a little bit not proper. Right? A portion to Q&A ke aake, so I think by now you have the answer. Remember we have talked about crossing over.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So meiosis 1 or already crossing over হৈ গৈছে. Diagram to বুজি পাইছা নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And similarly in this case, right? Telophase আমি এনেকে দেখিছিলো তাৰ পিছত কি telophase পিছত we see two cells, right? So actually এইটো diagram prophase 2 বুলি আমি directly কিয় ক'ব নোৱাৰো কাৰণ we know during prophase prophase is the starting point, right? At the starting point chromosomes বিলাক ইমান distinct কে আমি দেখা নাপাও কেনেকে দেখা পাও obviously in the form of thin thread, right? So I have drawn this diagram just to make you all remember that this is the phase where we have talked about in telophase 1. Telophase 1 or পিছত cytokinesis হ'ল cytokinesis হৈ পেলাই দুটা cell form কৰিলে দুটা cellত যোনখিনি genetic material আছে that was obviously something like this. I mean, NK na ki pala, we have drawn like this just to show that crossing over has already taken place during meiosis 1. But we know during prophase 2, genetic material bilak ami keneke dekha pam in the form of chromosomes or in the form of chromatids. Obviously, at the starting point, we will see the genetic material in the form of chromatids or thin threads, right? Lahe lahe condensation hobo, condensation hoar pisothe ami distinct structure to dekha pam. I think you understand this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So some points about prophase 2. What do you write? The normal points are centriole কি হয়? Move to the two opposite poles, right? Apo yate jodi if you want to show the nuclear membrane degrading, centrioles বিলাক ইয়ালে move কৰিব ঠিক আছে আৰু এটা নালাগে আঁকিবলৈ next nuclear membrane nucleolus degenerate but disappears কিন্তু আৰু common lines condensation হ'ব নে decondensation হ'ব professor genetic material বা chromatin condensation হয় নে decondensation হয়
Condensation.
Very good. Each chromosome consists of two chromatids joined at the centromeres. So these are the points that we write about prophase. Just go through the points and see whether you have understood or not. I don't think there's much to understand because prophase কিমান দিনৰ পৰা আমি কৈ আছো, right? কিবা পইণ্ট বুজি নাই পোৱা নেকি? Okay. So these are the points about prophase 2. Next, after prophase 2, we'll move to metaphase 2. Can I have the board?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, after meiosis 1, nuclear membrane থাকে নে না থাকে?
After meiosis 1, what is the product? After meiosis 1, we will get two daughter cells. Two daughter cells বুলি ক'লে তাতে obviously এটা proper nucleus থাকিব together with the nuclear membrane. পুৰা complete cell টো পাম। সেই complete cell টোৱে যেতিয়া division আৰম্ভ কৰিব তাকে আমি তেতিয়াৰ পৰা আমি meiosis 2 বুলি ক'ম।
Ma'am, মানে in the entire process of meiosis, nuclear membrane দুবাৰ degenerate.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. ফর্ম করব কারণ টেলোফেজত আমি কি দেখিছো ইটস দ্য অপোজিট অফ প্রোফেজ তো প্রোফেজত যদি ভাঙিছিলে টেলোফেজত কি হৈছে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেন ফর্ম কৰিছিলে মিয়োসিস টু কি টেলোফেজ 1 অৰ পিছৰ স্টেজ তো নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেনটো অলৰেডি ফর্ম কৰিলে এতিয়া প্রোফেজ টুত কি হ'ব সেই নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেনখন ভাঙি যাব
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can I have the board?
Yes, ma'am.
অডিও ক্লিয়াৰ কে শুনা পাইছে নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, শুনিছো ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, metaphase 2. Ako metaphase 2 কি হ'ব? Whenever we talk about metaphase, the one line that we remember কি হ'ব? What is the main characteristic of metaphase? That all the chromosomes now they will get arranged in the equatorial plane. Metaphase 2. Metaphase 2 ako diagram ta silwa. ইয়াতে ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত কেইটা ক্ৰোমোজোম দেখাইছো মাত্ৰ এডাল that does not mean as I said before no initial classতে কৈছিলো যে অকল যে এটাই ক্ৰোমোজোম থাকিব not necessary no just from diagram point of view এটা ক্ৰোমোজোম হে আঁকি দিছো really in this one So centromere আছে, it is centromere, this round portion. In this case, this is the centromere, right? Spindle fibers will get attached. And professor কি হল? Professor, we have seen the centrioles move to the two opposite poles, right? And what is the function of the centrioles? They help in the formation of the spindle rays, right? And we have talked about astral rays also, etc., etc. So spindle fibers or spindle rays বিলাক ক'ত লগ লাগি যাব? Centromere লগ লাগিব। A centromere to exactly nalage, no? We have something called as kinetochore, if you know. Okay, point. All the chromosomes come to lie on the equator of the cell. So we are talking about arranging itself to the equatorial line. The spindle fiber becomes attached to both kinetochore. Kinetochore, জানো নে? Have you heard this word?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a kinetochore? কি হয়? So,
Ma'am, it
ইয়াতে,
lies close
it
to
is not a very
centromere.
precise diagram. Yeah, it is not a very precise diagram. So what we are showing is the spindle fibers get attached to the centromere, right? In the centromere, A2 যদি centromere হয়, A2 যদি chromosome হয়, each centromere have a disc-shaped structure that is called as kinetochore. Kinetochore surrounds the centromere and it is that area where the spindle fiber attaches. Is the point understood? Centromere to spindle fiber actually লাগি না যায়. Centromere surround কৰি পেলাই কি থাকে? Kinetochore থাকে, so spindle fiber gets attached to kinetochore. Now question from that cell portion, right? Cell chapter 2 পৰা এটা question আহে। এডাল chromosomত kinetochore কেইটা থাকে? এডাল chromosomত, first you have to remember how many chromatids. Obviously we have seen the diagram. What is the number of centromeres? It is 1 centromere. The question is, what is the number of kinetochore in each chromosome? Kinetochore কেইটা থাকে?
Ma'am, 2.
Kinetochore কি হয়? Disc
Two.
structure. Very good. So you have one kinetochore this way, so this way. So এডাল chromosome kinetochore কি থাকিব? দুটা. Right? And similar, this one would also be called it. Or a center to কি? Centromere. The spindle fibers ক'ত লাগে? Centromere লাগে না kinetochore লাগে? It is in the kinetochore. Right? Next. So these are the points that you remember about metaphase 2. Eta line of all the chromosomes, they start lying in the equatorial or get arranged in the equatorial plan. Any questions from this part?
Ma'am, third part to বুঝি নাপালো ma'am.
Okay. Oh, spindle orientation is horizontal. Yeah, I should have said that. Okay. এইটা বস্তুটো আমি বুঝি পালো. Coming to the third point, spindle orientation is horizontal. What we understand, what we are talking about here is the way the spindle fiber is formed. তার মানে চোৱা, meiosis কি হয়? Spindle fiber কেইবাৰ form কৰিব? দুবাৰ. It is in metaphase 1 and also in metaphase 2. Metaphase 1 to spindle fibers form কৰিছিলে, metaphase 2 to spindle fibers form কৰিব. Metaphase 1 spindle fiber to vertically form কৰিছিলে, আৰু in case of metaphase 2 spindle fibers বিলাক horizontally form কৰে. This is what is called as spindle orientation is horizontal. So দুবাৰ spindle fiber form কৰিব, দুইবাৰে horizontal নহয়, এবাৰ যদি vertically form কৰে এবাৰ horizontally form কৰিব means the cells will divide this way first and then it will divide this way প্ৰথমতে vertically divide কৰিব তাৰপিছত horizontally divide কৰিব and ultimately from one cell you will get four cells understood
Yes, ma'am.
so this was about metaphase 2 following metaphase or followed by metaphase is anaphase 2 so heading কৰিবা anaphase 2
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, spindle orientation যদি horizontal হয় তেনেহলে তো division vertically হ'ব ন মানে division তো vertically হ'ব
তেতিয়া vertical divide কৰিব
ওকে ম্যাম ঠিক আছে
ঠিক
ম্যাম
আছে তাৰমানে the point of saying this line is দুইবাৰে একেটা প্যাটাৰ্নে ফলো নকৰে এবাৰ যদি vertical হয় এবাৰ horizontal divide কৰিব বুজি পাইছা
yes ma'am
মানে you see a difference between that separation ঠিক আছে
yes ma'am
okay next is anaphase 2 anaphase 2 is exactly like anaphase and when I say anaphase 2 is exactly like anaphase what I want to say is or what I mean যে মাইটোসিছৰ এনাফেজৰ যি সিচুৱেশনছ বা যি কন্ডিশনছ হৈছিলে ঠিক তেনেকে each and everything would occur in anaphase 2 also so in this case কি হ'ব again let's draw the cell first ডাঙৰকে আছে or else we'll do one thing So centromere to ইয়াত কি হৈছে diagram টোতে গম পাইছো যে we are talking about the splitting of the centromere right do you remember we have talked about a special type of fibers কি fibers আছিলে যেটা centromere to divide কৰে এটা special fiber আমি দেখা পাওঁ within this two centromere I mean within this two parts কি fiber আছিলে anyone remember
interzonal fibers
interzonal fibers very good so this time you will see the interzonal fibers. Whereas if you remember what we have said in anaphase 1, the interzonal fibers that anaphase 1 or dekhanupua because the centromere does not divide during anaphase 1. Centromere divides during anaphase 2 and so you will see the interzonal fibers. Mitosis of jeneke dekhisilu aru. Similarly, itu cell keneke dekha
মেম ইয়াত overlapping to মেম anaphase overlapping to ভুল হৈছে নেকি মেম এটা অকমান
konto
এটা white এটা black যে
oh yate oh etu ma akilo pahoi dilu ekini kotha কৈছিলা
মেম
okay this way, right? So ইয়াতে কি দেখা পাওঁ আমি ইন্টাৰজোনেল ফাইবাৰ্ছ বিলাক দেখা পাওঁ So what will you write? Centromere divide interzonal fibers become distinct. Each chromosome divides and forms two daughter chromosomes and move to the two opposite poles. এখানে আমি কি করছি ইন্টারজোনাল ফাইবার্স Similarly, এখানে আমি কি লিখব interzonal fibers. So what is the main thing that occurred in anaphase is division of the or splitting of the centromere. So দুইটা একেলগে আছিলে chromatids বিলাক separate হৈ গল centromere to divide কৰিলে and ultimately we see two chromosomes, one moving to one pole, the other set moving to the other pole. এখানে হল কি diagram complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth point লিখা, now each pole has haploid number of chromosomes. বুজি পাইছানে নাই? haploid হ'ব নহয় প্ৰথমে diploid হৈ আছিলে right যেতিয়া separate হৈ গল তেতিয়াহলে each pole has haploid number of chromosomes and haploid number of chromosomes তো আগতেই হৈছে and haploid number of DNA. And this DNA is considered as this amount of DNA বুলি লিখা is considered as 1/4 of the DNA present in the parent cell that started meiosis. What is the meaning of this line? Iman complicatedly we have started from this parent cell, right? That ki asile twice in set of chromosomes asile. A parent cell to myocyte holo. এই সেলটোৰ পৰা আলটিমেটলি দুটা সেল ফৰ্ম কৰিলে, এই দুটাৰ পৰা আকৌ দুটা সেল ফৰ্ম কৰিলে, and now so for one cell we have 4 cells, and so the content of each cell would be considered as 1/4 of the DNA. See whether you have understood or not. Meiosis 2 is not very tough to understand because we have talked about mitosis and it's exactly the same as mitosis. Mitosis or nisna ekdom eke hoy na hoy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So since we have already understood mitosis, so ekhini nokori pelai moi jodi directly refer to mitosis buli koi thoi dilu hoy, he tenekeo I think you would have understood because we have studied mitosis before, right? Meiosis 2 is exactly the same as mitosis. Right? Is it over? After anaphase 2, can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, last দুটা line নুমুচিব।
Bracket of dot. This amount of DNA.
Ma'am, last দুটা line।
Okay. This amount of DNA is 1/4 of the DNA present in the parent cell that started meiosis.
Yes, ma'am, হৈ গ'ল।
Okay. Telophase 2 diagram আঁকিবা। Please ask. Telophase কি আছিলে opposite of prophase, so আমি nuclear membrane খন form কৰা দেখা পাম।
Ma'am, cell wall to ভাঙি যায় নেকি ma'am?
Cell wall to ভাঙি নহয়, that if you're talking about an animal cell, telophase 2 simultaneously কি হ'ব? সেই furrow method to হ'ব ন, কাৰণ cytokinesis to হ'ব লাগিব। It is not like this that it will wait till the completion of karyokinesis. Cytokinesis কেতিয়া হ'ব? Karyokinesis একদম complete হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত হ'ব, নে simultaneously হৈ থাকিব? Simultaneously হৈ থাকিব। Right? So just to have an idea, সেইকাৰণে মই অকমান এই group method to দেখাই দিছো। If you're talking about a plant cell, so obviously group method to নহ'ব, কি হ'ব? Cell plate form কৰিব। Remember the vesicles, no? Phlegmoplast বুলি এটা word পঢ়িছিলো। মনত আছে নাই? নে পাহৰি গলো? No response.
আছে মনত ma'am।
Okay. What about the rest of the students? অকল দুটা মানেহে answer কৰি আছে, বাকীবিলাক কি হ'ল? Slept or what? Since we have a class at an odd time today,
মেম আজি বুদ্ধ পূৰ্ণিমা মেম সেইকাৰণে চবে চুপচাপ আছে
পূৰ্ণিমাৰ দিনা কথা পাতিব নাপায় নি? আজিতো ক্লাছো নাই তোমাৰ?
মেম নাই আছে।
স্কুল বন্ধ? So you should be more energetic. What happened? না আজি বন্ধ, সব বন্ধ মানে একদম
মেম
total
আজি
rest. Total rest, no? বহুত দিনৰ মূৰত।
yes মেম
So if you are talking about an animal cell, then group will form, and if you are talking about a plant cell, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ structure নহয় পেলাই plant cell ডাল একদম static থাকিব ন, cell wall static থাকিব, ইয়াতে এটা nuclear membrane, ইয়াতে chromosome form কৰিব, ঠিক তেনেকে ইয়াতে chromosome form কৰিব, আৰু ultimately কি হ'ব? Phagmoplast বিলাক, if you remember, we have talked about this method, right? Phagmoplast cell plate form কৰি পেলাই কি কৰিব? এটা cell দুটা cellলৈ divide কৰিব। Point. The daughter chromosome on the opposite pole.
board blur হৈছে নেকি?
চবৰে blur
ঠিকে আছে মেম ঠিকে আছে
ঠিকে আছে।
ঠিক আছে অকমান
নাই হোৱা মেম ব্লাৰ।
Okay. On the opposite, the daughter chromosomes on the opposite pole become কি হ'ব এবাৰ? Decondensed, no? আৰু decondensed হৈ পেলাই কি form কৰিব? So we are talking about this chromosome. Once they have reached the two opposite poles, the nuclear membrane will start appearing, and the genetic material, that is the chromosome, will start to decondense. If they start to decondense, chromosomes will get converted to chromatin fibers. Very good. Second point. Nuclear envelope develop. Okay, a question from the cell chapter. Nuclear envelope se koi so nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope, whatever. Do you know from where this nuclear envelope or membrane gets synthesized? Kune synthesize kore?
protein
No. Nuclear envelope develop from kuntu cell organelle পৰা nuclear membrane kon develop kore?
Ma'am, endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum. Very good. Third point is reappearance of the nucleolus. Can I rub the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Reappearance of the nucleolus. Next, the fourth point. Spindle fibers, astral rays. কি হ'ব? This integrates বা ভাঙি যাব and disappears. For this phase, marks the end of telophase 2 and karyokinesis 2. It is followed by K. Cytokinesis 2, which divides each cell into 2 daughter cells, resulting the formation of a tetrad of cells. মানে 4টা সেল ফর্ম কৰিব ন Can you see the last line properly? Boardখন distinct হৈছে লাষ্টটো দেখা পাইছা নে নাই
Yes, ma'am.
দেখা পাইছা
Ma'am, সেইটো কি লিখিছে ন? It is followed by cytokinesis 2
which divide each cell এইখিনি অকমান দিগদাৰি হৈছে ন এইখিনি ধৰিব পাৰিছানে which divide each cell into daughter cells, resulting in the formation of tetrad of cells. Understood? Tetrad of cells মানে তাৰমানে ultimately from one cell
ম্যাম
what is the
লাগি আছে
result?
মানে সেল গিটা লাগি আছে
নাই লাগি থাকা নহয় tetrad of cells মানে okay now don't get confused between this one and tetrad আমি ক'ত পঢ়িছো tetrad আমি already
Pollen
microscope পঢ়োতে tetrad পঢ়িছো ন tetrad of pollen grains তাত কি আছিলে pollen grains বিলাক attached হৈ আছে কিন্তু what is the meaning of tetrad 4 right tetrad বিলাক ইয়াত লাগি নাথাকে
ওকে ম্যাম মানে এটা
just a way to say
চাৰিটা ফৰ্ম হয়
just a way to say that from one cell the resultant is 4 daughter cells that's all
yes ma'am
Ma'am,
বুজি পাইছা
ma'am আপোনাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ৰখি গ'ল নেকি?
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম ফ্ৰিজ হৈ গ'ল
शुभंकर
हाँ बोलो
वो लास्ट लाइन क्या लिखा था
It is followed by cytokinesis, which divide each cell into 2 daughter cells, resulting in the
Yeah.
formation of tetrad
resulting
of
in the
cells.
formation of tetrad of cells yeah মানে is it not clear boardখন কি clear হোৱা নাই নেকি for some students
নাই মেম আহিছে এতিয়া
ঠিকে আছে
হেল্ল' মেম
হুম
মেম সেইটো লাইন যে লিখিছে আপুনি ইট মাৰ্কস দ্য এণ্ড অফ এইটো টেলোফেজ 2 হ'ব নে মিয়োসিস 2
it marks the end of telophase 2 and karyokinesis 2 which is followed by cytokinesis 2 means ultimately we are talking about the end of meiosis 2
ওকে
or end of meiosis লিখা হল সবৰে
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is all about the meiosis process. Since we are talking about cell cycle and cell division, right? We have already talked about the cell cycle G phase, S1 or G2 phase, interphase of kotha kolu. Interphase is followed by the division phase. When we talk about the division phase, cell division boli kole, we study about two types of division, that is mitosis and meiosis. And today we have completed the meiosis portion also. Mitosis to agote poriso. So we are at the last, almost at the last of the lesson.
Ma'am, tolerate me one. Yes, ma'am.
Ekhini, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
followed by, ঠিক আছে লিখি লোৱা। It is followed by cytokines. মই অকণ ভালকে লিখি দিম নে ইয়াৰ পৰা দেখা পাইছা?
না পাইছো মেম, দেখা পাইছো।
এইখিনি দেখা পাইছা নে মই আকৌ ওপৰত লিখি দিম ভালকে?
দেখা পাইছো মেম।
দেখিছা না? ঠিক আছে। It is followed by cytokinesis 2, which divides each cell into two daughter cells, resulting in the formation of tetrad of cells. তার মানে 4টা সেল ফর্ম করে। So this is all about meiosis. Next, কি লিখিবা? Significance of meiosis.
মেম চেপ্টাৰটো শেষ হ'বনে?
Mm-hmm.
আজি চেপ্টাৰটো শেষ হ'বনে মেম?
Let's see. এনেইতো শেষ হ'ব লাগে কাৰণ আমি লাষ্ট পাৰ্টত আছো, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ ৰিলেটেড আমি এখন কোৱেশ্যনছ ডিসকাস কৰিব লাগিব, and the discussing of those specific questions are very important. ঠিক আছে? এনেইতো থিওৰিটো শেষ হৈ যাব আজি। Significance of meiosis. Importance কি? সবতছে বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কি হয়?
मैम
Gamete.
Gamete
मैम वो
formation.
बीच बीच में किसी और का
बीच बीच में क्या?
हम स्पॉटलाइट
ma'am.
नहीं करा अपना वीडियो तो
কি হৈছে?
स्पॉटलाइट नहीं करा अपना वीडियो तो मैम
স্পটলাইট নাই কৰা? বস্তুটো ক্লিয়াৰ হোৱা নাই নেকি?
নহয় मैम এটো হোস্টে কৰিব লাগিব अपना वीडियो तो स्पॉटलाइट
হস্তে কৰিব লাগিব ন? তোমালোকে হস্তৰ লগত কানেক্ট কৰিব পাৰিবা
Ma'am,
নেকি?
মানে স্টুডেন্টস বোৰে আমি ম্যানুয়ালি ডাবল পিন কৰি পেলাই হেৰি কৰিব পাৰো ফোকাস।
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
ওকে 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 ওকে। তো হস্তৰ লগতো কথা পাতিব প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব নেকি এতিয়া? বৰ্ডখন দেখি পাইছা নাই? তোমালোকে ডাবল পিন কৰিবা হা তাতে।
অ मैम কৰিছো
ওকে? কিয় ফোকাস মানে হ'ব লাগিছিল ন? এতিয়াও হোৱা নাই ন?
Ma'am, ঠিকে আছে।
ঠিক আছে?
नो मैम
No, ma'am, নাই হোৱা।
মেম হোৱা নাই।
তোমালোকে ম্যানুয়ালি কৰিব লগা হৈছে? Just put a message to the host. Chat box पर message কৰি দিয়াচোন এটা কোনোবাই। পাৰিবানে? Can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay. So first importance is we have to talk about the formation of gametes, which is possible only because of meiosis. Next, meiosis maintains the chromosome number. Maintains the chromosome number. I think short ke likhi lo hami bujhi paisu. What we are talking about is the parent cell aru daughter cell or chromosome number eke thake. It is the main cause for production of variation বা variance. Last point to বুঝি পাইছো তো কেনে বুঝাব লাগিব যেহেতু gametes form করে gametes ultimately that type of a sexual reproduction would lead to what? Variance formation, and variation leads to evolution. So these are in short the significance of meiosis. Next लिखिबा types of meiosis. Types of meiosis details আমি ইয়াত কৰিব নালাগে কাৰণ plant kingdom already আমি কৰি থৈ আহিছো. Gametic meiosis, remember certain words called as gametic meiosis, zygotic meiosis, sporic meiosis, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Plant kingdom where we were discussing, we have talked about something called as life cycle. Haplontic life cycle, diplontic life cycle, right? Haplodiplontic life cycle. These cycles are given alternate names. One was called as zygotic meiosis, the other was called as gametic meiosis, etc., etc. So details আমি নকৰো কারণ plant kingdom already কৰিছোৱে.
Ma'am, it is the main cause for কি লিখা আছে appearance, no?
No, it's the main cause for production of variation. Variance produce করে, no?
Okay, ma'am.
এইখিনি portion fast লিখি লোৱা কাৰণ এইখিনি বুজাব লগা একো নাই কাৰণ বুজাই থৈছো. As you are writing the notes, পঢ়িও যাবা হা আৰু যদি কিবা word বুজি পোৱা নাই please ask. We have different type of meiosis, gametic meiosis, zygotic meiosis. Diplontic life cycle is also called as gametic meiosis, and what we need to remember is this point. Meiosis takes place before fertilization, yes or no? Remember the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Diplontic life
Yes,
cycle
ma'am.
or diagram on the same. In this case, meiosis takes place after fertilization. Eta after, eta before. And finally, we have porogametic meiosis. What is a porogametic meiosis? In this condition, meiosis occurs during ইয়াৰে যেহেতু details plant kingdom কৰিছো, so you can study this part from that lesson also. ঠিক আছে? So whenever we talk about meiosis, we talk about three types of meiosis, that is gametic meiosis, zygotic meiosis, আৰু porogametic meiosis. কিবা problem? Any point that you did not understand? অকমান যদি confusion আছে কাবাৰ haplontic life cycle কি, diplontic life cycle কি, ঠিক আছে? Plant kingdom Notes khini ulaba and just go through. If you're talking about diplontic life cycle, parent is a haploid then diploid.
Haploid.
Diplontic life cycle of kotha koason.
Ma'am, diploid hobo তেতিয়া।
Haplontic life cycle and diplontic life cycle. Diplontic life cycle or parent to haploid hoy na diploid hoy?
Ma'am, diploid হয়।
Diploid হয় ma'am.
Diploid hoy take te haploid to koisa haploid jodi parent to hoy tetiale if the parent is haploid then obviously the life cycle would be called as what? Haplontic. If the parent is diploid it is called as diplontic. Remember we have drawn something like this. If the parent is this one, right? He form koribo. Gametes form koribo by the process of meiosis. Then form zygote by the process called as fertilization. And then etu kihor life cycle agiso? Haplontic na diplontic?
Diplontic.
Diploid।
Diplotic. So the parent is diploid. It will produce what? Gametes. And whenever we are talking about the formation of gametes, which process is responsible? Meiosis. And if you see the second line, what we have written, in case of what? Gametic meiosis. Gametes are produced before fertilization or after fertilization?
Before fertilization.
It is formed before fertilization. In case of haplontic, the gametes are formed after fertilization. So that's the reason why I said please refer to the life cycle notes that we have written during plant kingdom, right? Okay. Now, when we are talking about cell division, obviously mitosis and meiosis to ami details of porisu, but we have another type of cell division that is called as amitosis. So amitosis for ketaman point, basic details of nohoy. First point discovered by one second.
Amitosis দেখিছে নটো?
Amitosis, ha.
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
হোৱা নাই নেকি?
Ma'am নহয় মানে
Light.
প্ৰথমবাৰ শুনিছো দেখিছো মানে নামটো।
Okay. Okay. Cell division 3 types থাকে. Amitosis, mitosis, আৰু meiosis, right? It is also called direct cell division. It is a method of asexual reproduction. It occurs in acellular organisms like bacteria, protozoan, certain type of diseased cells, etc. So amitosis of ki hoy ekdom short ke diagram diagram akhibo na lage. I think this is something very simple. Binary fission to already pori sai no. So you have a cell, you have a nucleus. So what happens is obviously karyokinesis, right? Next is 2 nuclei, next formation of the group, and then we have 2 cells. So iman details na lage, just the points that you'll remember.
Ma'am, disease cells মানে?
Disease cells কিছুমান organisms of body ভিতৰত কিছুমান cells disease বা কিবা বেমাৰে ধৰে, ঠিক আছে? In that case those cells are called as disease cells. So specific type of disease cells কেতিয়াবা cell division আমি amitosis process এৰে দেখা পাওঁ. Next, in this division in this division, no spindle formation and no distinct chromosome or no distinct chromosome formation is seen. Ba occurs. The nuclear membrane remains intact. Whereas in case of mitosis and meiosis, what we have seen is cell division hua loge loge nuclear membrane kon bhangi jay. In this case, the daughter cells are the two equal halves of a parent cell. Exactly. Okay. This is all about the mitosis. Right. So as far as the notes or the theory portion is concerned, this is all that was there in the lesson called cell cycle and cell division. So we have completed the lesson. What next? After this, এখন formula chart পঢ়িব লাগে কারণ এইটো lesson on the basis of this lesson বা on the based on the divisions that we have studied কিছুমান ধৰণৰ questions আহে যদি কোনোবাই MCQ you have gone through the book কিছুমান questions আহি যায় চাইছানে regarding suppose a question is asked what is the number of fruits? I think when we were talking about sexual reproduction, no koisilo no kisman sexual reproduction to ami okman calculation ba calculative type questions koribo lagbo. Similarly, those questions are related to this chapter also. So we'll be doing certain questions aru hey questions ko kora agote ketaman formula janibo lagbo. Before going to that formula, ekhini loke kabar kiba doubts ase niki khuda. So this is all.
Ma'am, it's binary fusion niki ma'am?
Yes, yeah. একেটাই সেইকাৰণে মই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো আঁকা নাই ন অলপ আগতে যেটো ডায়াগ্ৰাম দিছিলো ন ফাইনেল কুৱেশ্যন লিখা হ'ল নেকি
Yes ma'am.
নাই হোৱা মেম
Ma'am,
কোনটো এইটো লাইন হা
ma'am, asexual reproduction or beleg methods বিলাককো আমি amitosis consider কৰিব পাৰো নেকি?
পাৰিম obviously পাৰিম কিছুমান কিন্তু vegetative reproduction to আছে that is also a method of asexual reproduction.
Okay ma'am. Ma'am, spore formation?
Spore formation to me we have talked about in fungi কি হয় sexual reproduction হয়.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so this is over.
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ultimately lesson to over hoise question related ami kisuman bostu poribo lagibo heading korasa formula chart khuli formula chart kon likhi lua jetia ami questions korim tetia will apply this formula and try to do the question. First to likha number of mitotic division for the formation of n number of cells. Our formula is n minus 1. Right? Eta question di dile বাৰু question আমি পিছত কৰিম ইয়াৰে just এটা example লিখি থৈ দিয়া so that it becomes easy for suppose getting 100 cells mitotic division required is right so eta formula ase a formula to what we can calculate number of mitotic divisions required to form a specific number of cells question to ahibo je eta cell ase hey cell it has undergone mitosis and obviously if it will undergo mitosis what it will produce daughter cells produce koribo so kimanta mitotic division lagi pelai kimanta daughter cells form korise tenuka dhoroner jodi question ahe something related with mitotic division then you have to remember this one for example the example that we have written for getting 100 cells mitotic division required দিয়ে কেইটা mitotic division হলে 100 cells form কৰিব
99
formula to মতে exactly clear so mitotic division to মনত ৰাখিবা mitotic division যদি সুধিছে সদায় আমাৰ কি হ'ব n-1 this is the formula কাৰণ এটা সেলৰ পৰা কি ফৰ্ম কৰে দুটা সেল ফৰ্ম কৰে one mitotic division will result in the formation of two cells okay is this over
আমি example to ৰখিব অকমান
ম্যাম
okay ওপৰটো হৈছে হা
ম্যাম এটা সেল মাইটোটিক ডিভিজন হোৱাৰ পাছত দুটা ফৰ্ম কৰে সো দুটা সেলে চাৰিটা ফৰ্ম কৰিব তে 99 ডিভিজন হলে 100 কেনেকে হ'ব সেল
no তেনেকে কাৰণ অৰিজিনাল কা আছিলেই ন
অৰিজিনাল টু মানে
পেৰেন্ট তো আছিলেই ন কাউন্ট হেতুও কৰিব লাগিব সাবটিংৰ পৰা কাউন্ট কৰিব লাগিব
ওকে ওকে না
আমি আৰু অকমান কৰিম কেটামান হেৰি then it will become more clearer এখিনি হল
yes ma'am
example লিখিলা okay so formula chart খনত এটো first formula apply আমি পিছত কৰিম first কিহৰ ওপৰত আছিলে question was about mitotic division or number of mitotic division number 2 লিখা question আহে যদি number of generation n of mitosis for producing X cells. এতিয়া just formula খিনি লিখা আমি যেতিয়া apply কৰি questions কৰিম it will become easier right so এবাৰ কি count কৰিব দিছে generations count কৰিব দিছে right so X number of cells produce কৰিবলে হলে কিমানটা generation হ'ব লাগিব right so ইয়াতে formula টো কি যে the number of for producing X number of cells we calculate it by X to the power of twice n this is the second formula আমি পিছত কৰিম and the third is related with meiosis number of meiosis for the formation and seed or grains or fruits. Question to the day I have what is the number of pollen, what is the number of grains that are formed, what is the number of seeds formed, what is the number of fruits formed. Right? এতিয়া যেতিয়া আমি questions কৰিম এইখিনি আমি এতিয়া apply কৰিম Okay, তিনটা ফর্মুলা লিখিলা?
মেম এই নাম্বাৰ 3 যে মেম কেতিয়াবা ডেচিমেলতো আহিব পাৰিব দেখোন এইটো এই নাম্বাৰ 3 কেতিয়াবা ডেচিমেলতো আহিব দেখোন
ডেসিমেলত?
মেম নাম্বাৰ অফ মেয়োসিস
ডেসিমেলৰ কথা কৈছা?
নাম্বাৰ অফ মেয়োসিস টেকিং ফৰ n seeds for formation of n seeds এইটো যদি কেতিয়াবা আমি অড নাম্বাৰ এটা লওঁ তেতিয়া ডেচিমেলৰ
তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি এপ্ৰক্স কৰিব লাগিব, এপ্ৰক্স কৰি দিব লাগিব।
ওকে মেম ঠিক আছে
বুজি পাইছা? ধৰা সাপোজ 23.3 বা 23.5, ঠিক আছে, তেতিয়া আমি ৰাউণ্ড অফ কৰি দিব লাগিব। Exact
ma'am.
or pura teneke tumi decimal, you cannot be talking about as half, 1/4 meiosis, half meiosis, teneke tumi noko. So calculation korile to decimal se ahak pura chance thake. So in that case, what you have to do is round it off. Right? So formula
Yes,
kita
ma'am.
likha hol. Eta question koru, ha. Question likha hun. How many mitotic divisions are required?
মেম থাৰ্ড ফৰ্মুলাটো x কি আছিলে থাৰ্ড ফৰ্মুলাটো এবাৰ ক'ব নেকি
Number of mitosis, number of mitotic divisions required to for the formation of n number of cells. Kitu kotha hudisa?
মেম থাৰ্ড ফৰ্মুলা
মেম মেয়োসিস আছিল
First was about mitosis, second was about mitosis, third one was about meiosis. Meiosis
Yes,
of n plus n by 4.
ওকে and yes ma'am
N, it's not x.
okay ma'am
Okay. So relating those formulas, questions are there. First is how many mitotic divisions are required for the formation of of 128 cells from a single cell. So যেহেতু আমি ফর্মুলাটো জানো, so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ অংকবোৰ আহিলে, so I think it will become easier. So question is about number of mitotic division. N already dia ase. What is n over here? 198. So what would be the answer?
197
Right? Next question I say. How many mitotic generations? Read the question properly. Division, a generation occurs in the root cell, but in the root cell to form 128 cells. এবার কি দিছে জেনারেশন, ইয়াত কি দিছে মাইটোটিক ডিভিশন। জেনারেশন হলে ইয়াতে কি দিছে যে হাউ মেনি মাইটোটিক জেনারেশনস অকার ইন দ্য রুট টিপ টু ফর্ম 128 সেল। তাৰ মানে ফার্স্ট এটা সেল আছিলে, এটা সেলে ডিভাইড কৰি কৰি কিমান ফর্ম কৰিলে 128 টা সেলস ফর্ম কৰিলে আফটার হাউ মেনি জেনারেশন। One cell will form 2 cells, that's the first generation. 2 cells will form 4 cells, that is the second generation. So you have to keep on calculating. Instead of using the formula, directly কৰিব পৰা। এটা cell আছে, এটা cell কি form কৰিলে? দুটা cell চাৰিটা, চাৰিটাই আঠটা, আঠটাই 16টা, 16টাই 32, and 32 would form 54, and 54 would ultimately form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how many generations?
7.
First generation, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So if the question is asked how many mitotic generations occur in a cell to form 128 cell, and similarly the number can keep on increasing, right? 128 or picha to hobo, right? Generally 128 is maximum today.
Ma'am, x equal to 2 to the power n asil na 2n asil?
Power asile.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next. Are what a question due? For the formation of 50 seeds, how many minimum meiotic divisions are necessary? Right? যেতিয়া আমি words like seed, grain, fruits, এইবিলাক words পঢ়ো, then we have an idea that we are talking about sexual reproduction because these are the products of sexual reproduction. And if you are talking about sexual reproduction, obviously we have to talk about meiosis and not about mitosis. So this is the next one. ইয়াতে তো formula দিছো n plus n by 4. Yes or no?
Yes,
কিমান
ma'am.
হ'ব?
Yes, ma'am.
63.
62 or 63.
53. Right? So ultimately, আৰু এটা বস্তু যদি জানিব বিচাৰিছা এই ফৰ্মুলাটো ক'ৰ আহিলে এইখিনিলৈকে the question is related with the cell part, but if you are talking from sexual reproduction in flowering plants, then you will understand যে এই ফৰ্মুলাটো কেনেকৈ derive কৰিছে. So we are talking about seed. Seed is a product of কি? Sexual reproduction. For sexual reproduction to occur, আমাক কি লাগিব? Gametes লাগিব. And what we are in need of is the male gamete and the female gamete. What is the male gamete? We are talking about the pollen grain. And what is the female gamete? We are talking about the egg. So the question is, 50 seeds form কৰিব লাগিলে, you have to count that pollen grains also. So in that case, এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰা. এই বস্তুটো বুজি লোৱা, sexual reproduction process to easy হ'ব. I mean, that chapter would become easy. 50 seeds is equal to, okay, 50 pollen grains plus 50 eggs. হয় নে নহয়? দুইটা লগ লাগিলেহে আমাৰ 50 seeds হ'ব. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you are talking about pollen grains, no? Pollen grains কোনে form কৰিব? Microspore mother cell form কৰিব, right? In case of pollen grain, 1 mmC will produce how many pollen grains?
4.
4 pollen grains, right? So 1 mmC, 4 pollen grains. So 4 pollen grains by 1 mmC, 50 pollen grains by how many mmC? কিমান হ'ব? 50 by 4 হ'ব নহয়?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
50 pollen grains কি হ'ব? 50 by 4, which is equal to 12.5, which is approximately equal to 13 meiosis. And pointer to আমি দিব নোৱাৰো, no? Right. Next, this was in case of pollen grain. Now we come in case of egg. In case of egg, we have not read this. I mean, up till this portion, I think I don't know whether we have studied or not. But I think you all know, no? If you are talking about pollen grain formation from microspore mother cell and egg formation from megaspore mother cell, what we have discussed, we have said that one MMC always produces 4 cells. In case of pollen grains, what was the unique point? All the pollen grains that are formed from one MMC all are functional except in cyperaceae. But if you're talking about egg, eta megaspore mother cell keita produce koribo, 4টা megaspore produce koribo, functional keita hobo matro eta. Yes? So in case of egg, one MMC ultimately produces 4 into functional kiman 1. So 50 eggs form koribole kiman ta MMC lagibo
50 টা
50 টা 50 eggs 50. So ultimately seeds hobo lagile pollen grain plus eggs hobo lagibo amane 50 by 4 plus 50 hole nai বুঝতে পারছো না নাই
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of going through this long method, no, we just use this method. কিন্তু এটো কেনেকে আহিছে কারণ n it talks about 1 and it's related with the egg portion and this one is related with the pollen grain portion. So read the question properly.
Ma'am, 50 টা egg form কৰিব কাৰণে 50 টা MMC লাগিব ন আৰু এটা egg form কৰোতে এটা meiosis হয়
এটা MMC হা এটা meiosis হয় তো meiosis কিমান লাগিব 50 টা meiosis লাগিব 50 টা egg form কৰিব লাগিলে
yes ma'am
right
ma'am আৰু in case of pollen grain এবাৰ meiosis হলে 4টা pollen grain form হয় ন
4টা pollen grain form কৰে in case of egg এবাৰ meiosis হলে এটা egg form কৰে in case of pollen grain এবাৰ meiosis হলে 4টা pollen grain form কৰে that is what n plus 4 will give you the seed
okay ma'am
what is the timing of the class today
3:45.
3:45 হলে মেম
3:45 লকে আছে আৰু কিছুমান questions আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব লাগিব
ma'am এটা ডাউট আছিলে আমি যে পঢ়িছিলো organism chapter টো তাতে bulbil ma'am bulbil
one second this is a doubt regarding this chapter or other chapter
related quite related that's why
quite related to this one or it's
Yes,
a topic about organism
no ma'am this
so
one
if it is not directly related okay then it's okay if it is not related you personally phone kori pele di loba doubt karon bostu tu mane this
Okay,
is in a lecture form so
yes okay ma'am
because students might get confused they all of a sudden এই বস্তুটো ইয়াত কেনেকে আহি গল
yes ma'am
right so I think it's almost time to wind up the class as far as the theory portion is concerned we have completed the chapter but I think অকল theory খিনি কৰাতকে তাৰ related যোনবিলাক এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions আহিছে it's better that we have an idea right so in the next class what we'll do is we'll continue this part right formula oriented aru kisuman questions kori and that would be the end of this chapter okay because today it's not possible to do all the questions I have almost around 10 questions more right so we'll do it 8 to 10 questions or so we'll do it in the next class okay
ma'am and
Thank you
next
for
chapter
today.
start koribo etur
Thank you,
pasot
ma'am.
next class will be again on next Wednesday
ma'am kuntu chapter start koribo after this one
next class to moi etue continue koribo laibo karon jehetu questions bila complete no hole
yes ma'am
right so etu chapter complete korar pisot we'll start with cell
okay ma'am
okay so So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.